Hello, my dear children. How are you? I think you all are fit and fine. So, my dear children, today again I am here with you with a good discussion. But let me tell you once that this topic that I have chosen for today, or the discussion we are going to make today, it is not only for you, it is for everyone. So, this is actually going to be very much informative for all of you. Dear all my viewers, today I want to share one thing with you. Everyone knows that communication is the biggest medium to convey the message to someone. If we want to express ourselves, what is the medium? Only the communication that makes our all message pass to others. If we are not communicating in a good way, then it can go very wrong. So, whenever we want to express ourselves, it can be any feeling. It can be the feeling of happiness, it can be the feeling of anger, it can be the feeling of sadness. Everything that comes to others or to us, only one medium is the communication. But beside that, you all know there's one more very strong medium that communicate the message to others by non-verbal expression. Yes, this is about the expressing ourselves. Suppose if you are very much happy, why you are happy? Because someone has given a very good comment to you. They can be anyone. They may be your boss, they may be your principals, they may be your parents, they are your relatives. So when they pay a good comment to you, you feel very much happy, and you start to communicate with them. You use very good words to show your humbleness. But when the communication is not going on, sometime it happens then we are not communicating, we are not selecting the words. In that condition, we express ourselves. How? By expressing our emotions through our postures and gestures. So this is actually a very important information. It is for everyone, because when the communication is not going, when the language is not the medium of communication, at such time, when we are not having verbal expression, at such time how we communicate? By our expressions. Yes, so we are going to discuss about different type of postures and different type of gestures. Our whole world is one, and we are meeting different type of people in the world for any purpose. Sometimes we are going for getting a job, sometimes we are going for the like interviews, sometimes we are having seminars, sometimes we are having a big people assembled all together. Every time we are expressing ourselves, and for that our communication, if communication is not there, then our expressions are the best way to communicate to others. So these expressions, how it comes, these are the very simple and common signs that comes automatically, willingly or unwillingly. Suppose if someone gives a good comment to you, as I said before, you feel very much happy and you like to give a good smile. समटाइम जब कोई चीज़ वर्क नहीं करती तो एक छोटी सी स्माइल आपका बहुत अच्छा, सबका बहुत अच्छा कर जाती है, सबको बहुत खुश कर जाती है. एंड व्हेन यू आर हैप्पी, you start blushing, you just feel very much humble, and this humbleness comes by these expressions. On the contrary, if you are not happy, suppose if your elders, if your seniors, your boss, again any one of you, they say a wrong thing to you, then what happens? And especially when the time is like this that you are not able to respond on that, जब आप उस पर एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते, आप कम्युनिकेशन नहीं कर सकते, आप बैक आंसर नहीं दे सकते, in that condition how you express yourself? When you are in a very angry mood, you just tight your fist to show your anger, you shrink your eyebrows. These are the ways you express yourself. If the people are very close to you, then they can understand. But as I am here discussing, why I have made it a point to discuss, because I have taken many interviews in my life, and I have seen many of the candidate, they are very qualified, they are having good knowledge of their subject, but because of their expression, because of their body language, sometimes they get rejection. If the people come to meet you and they are not looking very much, they are not having a very pleasing personality, in the sense they are having a good personality but they are not showing any interest with the conversation they are making with you, then surely the person who is talking to you will not feel happy, and he is not going to offer you a job. So this is like many cases it happens. So that's why I thought that we should discuss on this matter. When the expressions are also somewhere communicating to each other, it is a big medium. Why we should not always come with the positive expressions? Because if our expressions are negative, if we are not able to give a good expressions, if we are not bringing our emotions, our all communication through expression in a positive way, then surely it is going to be very harmful for us. ऐसे बहुत सारे बॉडी लैंग्वेज हैं जो कि अनविलिंगली और विलिंगली हमारे द्वारा किए जाते हैं, एंड समटाइम इट इज़ नॉट प्रिफर्ड बाय द पीपल और द हाईएस्ट अथॉरिटीज़। स्पेशली इट इज़ दिस आई एम टॉकिंग इन द रेफरेंस ऑफ वेरी ऑफिशियल वे, क्योंकि घर में आप कैसे भी आप एक्सप्रेशन देंगे लोग आपको बर्दाश्त कर लेंगे, बट व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग ऑन अ पोजिशन टू maybe it is you're asking for a job or you are going for a very important discussions, your expressions are not positive, then surely somewhere you will be failed. Now what expression and वो क्या नुकसान कर सकते हैं? Maybe you can lose a very big opportunity, you can be rejected from a very good job, or maybe because if your boss is not happy by your expression, you will not be getting any promotion. Sometimes it happens, some people are having a very morose face, dull face, they don't show their happy expression to anyone, though they are workaholic, but expression counts a lot, especially when they are coming to communicate, when we communicate through our expressions. So that's why I want to discuss here about the many of the expressions. Especially suppose if you are sitting in a place and you want a job, or if your presence is very much countable, your actions are very much countable, your reactions are very much countable. In such cases, what are the expressions, which body language, which gestures, which should be always with you and which should not be there, जिसको कि हमको, especially in this video I want to tell how we should control or we should manage our body language. Sometimes it happens that we are not happy, but it should not be reflected through your expressions. This actually I mean to say, क्योंकि जब आपको मालूम है कि आप किसी बहुत खास ओकेज़न के लिए जा रहे हैं, तो आपको अपने एंगर पे कंट्रोल रखना पड़ेगा। आपने एंगर तो कंट्रोल कर लिया, लेकिन वो एक्सप्रेस हो रहा है आपके फेस से, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज से, तो समवेयर इट इज़ टॉकिंग. So we should have a good control on our angers, on our expressions. So it should not be communicated. When it is not communicated through the communication, then it should not be also communicated through our body language. Gestures are also same. When you are smiling make everyone happy. Many of the work you can do by the small smile, showing your humbleness, your down to earthness by your expressions. तो ऐसे कौन से बॉडी लैंग्वेज हैं that, so what are the positive and welcoming body language, body postures, and what are that should not be there. About negative also I'll be telling, because many of you, maybe you, those who are viewing me, and even in me also, I can get many of the body postures that is actually not good, and willingly and unwillingly we do that. So let's come to that. So first of all, चलिए हम पॉजिटिव बॉडी लैंग्वेज के, बॉडी साइंस के बारे में बात करते हैं. सपोज इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू फेस एन इंटरव्यू एंड यू आर सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर बॉस. व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग, what the high authorities or the people having the post, what they want from you, either they are conducting the seminar or it is a big assembly hall you are sitting, so what they expect from you, they want the positiveness, they want the positivity, they want your eagerness, they want your keenness to listen them, as well as a very positive reaction. When these all are not coming through your body language, you will be failing somewhere. So which are these body signs, body movements, body language that make a very pleasing personality, bring out very pleasing things about you? Let me discuss it one by one. We are discussing here because ultimately we all are coming out for working, and we should have a very good control on our expressions. Like if you are sitting in front of someone, then how you should listen to him. If your body language is like that, a good body movement is like when your head is tilted one side. It shows that you are listening, you are a person listening to the person sitting in front of you. You are very much keen and observative, and each and every word of him is useful to you. This is one body language. जिसके इमेज देख आप, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग ऑल द इमेजेस टू यू, so you can just get it, because you must be having, these are our expressions. So this is one of it. So whenever you are keeping your head very much tilted, someone is still keeping with her tilted head and listening attentively, it is a very good sign. It makes the boss very much pleased by your way of taking interest. Then the second body language we can discuss about, whenever you are sitting, generally what happens, you start to just rub your palm or frisking of your palm. It also happens because of cold. So it should not happen like if you are sitting in a very important official place and if you are feeling cold, you start to rub your palm. No, I am not talking about that. When you are listening, some yeah, the very important discussion is going on, and suddenly you become very much excited and you start to just frisk your palm. Then what it shows? It shows that you are happy, you are very much happy with the discussion, and you want to just take part. You are very much active and you are very much eager to take part on the next planning. About the eye interaction, eye interaction is also very important, because if you are keeping your eyes down, if you are not able to face the person, then the person can judge it very well that you cannot be the right person, because you are not having that boldness, you are not having that honesty of expression that is coming from your eyes. So whenever you are talking to someone, you should have eye to eye interaction. That is a very good body language, body posture. Sometimes what happens, when a person is sitting in front of any authorities, he start to touch the chin or the beard of the chin. It is also a positive sign. It also shows the thoughtfulness of a person. It means you are going to a long time thinking about the discussion is going on, and somewhere you want to come to an agreement. You want to convince yourself and you want to be agree. This is also taken as a positive sign, that is touching the chin beard. So it is also taken as a very good sign, गुड लैंग्वेज, बॉडी लैंग्वेज. ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो कि आपकी पॉजिटिविटी को शो करती हैं. जब भी आप कहीं ऐसे ऑफिशियल प्लेस में बैठते हैं जहाँ पे आपकी प्रेजेंस बहुत काउंट करती है, या आपके लिए कोई बहुत बड़ी डील हो रही है, इसके लिए आपका ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. देन वन मोर good sign, if you are having, and if you sit and if you might have seen the person, if you are taking interviews, you can be either this side or that side. You can check also the people like this. If they are listening you, leaning towards your side, if someone is interested to listen you, he just lean towards you, he bend towards you. Bending should not be that much that you are coming very closer to the person, but bending is a sign that somewhere you are very much humbled and very much attentive to listen the conversation and the plans that is executed by the authorities. So these all are the very good sign language. These are very good expressions. These are the very positive body languages that is conveying your emotions in a very positive way. Now what about the negative things? How the negative expressions comes? When you are unhappy, it happens many times. Sometimes when you are sitting in a place, you are not finding the comfortable position, then you are not happy with the discussions going on. You are every time your discussions, your proposals are getting rejected. At that time, many negative expressions, willingly or unwillingly, started to come. For example, just cutting the nails. I think 90, I will not say, but 50 to 60% people I have seen, even I have seen personally, that whenever they don't feel comfortable, they start to cut their nail. Everyone knows it is very much unhygienic. The germs goes inside of your mouth. But here I am not talking about hygiene, I am talking about a bad habit and bad expression. And it is also called a negative body language. Whenever you are talking to someone, when you are listening someone and you start to just cut your nails from your mouth, surely you will not be taken very positively. It shows that you are nervous, you are losing your confidence, and that's why you are cutting your nails. So this activity is also not taken as a positive activity, and you should not do it. You should never do it anywhere. It is totally goes very wrong. Then about your hands, your arms, when you keep tight or crossed in front of you, when you just make a way, it means you are not ready to, you're accepting the things open heartedly, you are not willing to take the things open heartedly. If you are just keeping yourself every time closed, then surely it will not be welcomed by the person who is taking your interview, or if any discussion is made by the number of people who are sitting there. So this is also a very wrong body language. Now we are talking about one more posture that is not pleasing and that is not welcomed in the places wherever you are sitting. It is like whenever you keep your two hands on your cheeks, it also goes very wrong. Why? Because it is also a sign of somewhere dullness and boredom and tiredness. It means somewhere you're not interested for the discussions going on, you're feeling boredom and you want to go out of it. So these all are the negative body postures that always can give us a lot of harm. जब हम कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज़ पाने के लिए जाते हैं, हो सकता हो कि हमारे पास बहुत सारी एबिलिटीज़ हो, बहुत सारी काबिलियत हो, बहुत अच्छा क्वालिफिकेशन हो, लेकिन जब आप किसी के सामने जाते हो तो वो व्यक्ति आपको नहीं जानता रहता है. ही इज़ नॉट नोइंग, you are a stranger for him. How he is coming to know about you, especially when you are a listener and you are not given the chance to speak a lot. At that time everything coming through the expression, and your expressions are dull, your expressions are negative, then you can lose many things in your life. Nodding your head also shows a very good, this I have left. If you nod your head, like every time you are giving a consentment by nodding your head, it is also a very good posture of the body. It is a very good sign language. It is also telling that each and everything that is conveyed to you, you are just listening and accepting it by heart. This nodding tell you. Your shaking hands, shaking hands is a very first introduction. When you meet someone, you just shake the hands. So it should be also, it is a welcoming, it is like welcoming, it can be taken, we are when we welcome someone. So when you are going to meet the person, when you are going to welcome someone, we should just shake the hands in a warm manner. But it should not be hold so tightly that if you are very strong person and the person in front of you is very thin, so maybe he is getting a pain. So we should be very much careful. So these are the positive as well as the negative language. So I think you all have enjoyed this video. It is very much informative because even my students also, they will be going to face the interview, and these all things I am telling you, it is telling about your personality. If you are not keeping your shoulder straight, if you are not standing erect, if you are not standing confidently, if your eyes interaction is not good, then somewhere you will be not taken as the right person for anything, and surely you will be getting many places rejection. So I think you all will take it very positively. Try to just avoid the negative things, always be positive, always just spread the positivity everywhere. It can come to us by number of ways, by our communication, if not communication, by our smiles, by our humbleness, and by our all cheerfulness. So this is enough for you. I am coming very soon with my next video. Just keep watching me. Thank you, children.